Bitcoin is about to test a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Bitcoin yesterday, we had a beautiful moveset breaking down on this formation at the exponential moving averages, and I mentioned we can definitely be looking for a possible retest to around this 15.5. You can see that we did get a very nice wick hitting right around that 15.6 before we saw a nice reversal opportunity. But guys, there's something to keep in mind. Of course, the fact that this whole move set over here was weekend trading volume, and usually when you have weekend trading volume, Mondays you'll have that correction, right? That will decide whether or not we'll continue pushing upwards or have that move set continuing back down. Right now you can see that Monday morning we did have a beautiful green engulfing candle breaking above that level, but we didn't quite get that break above those exponential moving averages. We had a nice retest around the $17,100 level. A lot of traders got caught at this level hoping for the fact that we would be retesting around the 17.6 and got pretty much wrecked going back down. Ideally, what we're looking for right now is a break of this exponential moving average, find it as support, and then that continuation in order for us to continue pushing this bullish momentum. But if we continue failing below that 20 exponential moving average, guys, we definitely will be retesting and possibly breaking this overall level here at 15.5. Of course, this 15.5 level is going to become extremely interesting. As you guys can see, this would count as a possible double bottom formation, but in my opinion, this is more of a fake out. We can still be looking for a retest and then that move set to the downside on that third opportunity like we saw in many other cryptocurrencies today. On the hourly time frames, you can see that Bitcoin is pretty much trading right above those exponential moving averages with a clean break formation, but we would have to wait for that possible move to the upside, breaking above the 16.8 clean, right? Looking at the previous price analysis, you can see that we pretty much have this retest resistance right here around the $17,000 level. Even on the hourly, you can see that we tried to break above that level many times, failed, got that liquidity grab, and then pushed towards the downside. And once again, we tried retaking that zone again today and failed once more and are currently trading right in between these exponentials. This is where things obviously become extremely choppy, which is why I never suggest trading in between these EMA lines. The best case scenario, of course, is waiting for a break of that formation. If we do get a clean break to the downside and we actually break below this low of 15.6, then we can start to look for those opportunities for that shorting opportunity. But if we continue breaking above these exponential moving averages, I would at least wait until we can see a possible retest, right? What we want to see is a break of the 20 exponential moving average, use it as support. These are not break formation candles. None of these were break formation candles, because as you guys can see, even on the 4 hour, we would like to see a 3 test confirmation and then that continuation. We saw a break of this formation right over here, but we didn't even get a 3 test confirmation. Immediately on the third test, we saw a bearish engulfing candle and we were already seeing those wicks to the high side, right? This is what you don't want to see. Ideally, you want a clean breakout, a nice little push above, find it as support, and then a continuation. That's what we're looking for in terms of a bullish case scenario. But right now, Bitcoin is definitely not near those levels currently. Ideally, on the daily time frame, I did want to talk about something, guys. If we do break this 15.5, the last line of defense that Bitcoin has, you can see that obviously we were going to be looking for a bounce because Bitcoin did have an extremely oversold level right around that 15.5 after a huge dump from around the 20.7. The market obviously reacted extremely bearish to this FTX news, but I think that a lot of people took it a little too much and actually dumped, right? We saw a huge capitulation event, so I would expect a pullback opportunity and then that continuation. I wouldn't just expect a continuation from this level right now. You can see that every time Bitcoin hit below those every time Bitcoin hit below these RSI levels, we saw a clean bounce and a continuation, right? We saw the same thing back over here on the daily time frames right around this level when we hit that 17.6. Then we saw that move set going all the way above 25,000. A lot of people got extremely bullish, and then immediately after we retested those lows. I would not be surprised if we see the same situation as of right now, right? If we see this huge move to the downside and then we start to slowly climb back up to around the 19.5, and a lot of traders get caught thinking it's going to be a bull run and then get absolutely wrecked going right back down. That's definitely the daily case scenario that we have. But of course, I just wanted to mention this to you guys just so you guys have a better understanding of exactly what's happening, right? I obviously don't want to see you guys get wrecked, so just keep that in mind as you guys are trading, that we have seen the same sort of extreme oversold levels on the daily and then a nice bounce. So if we do see another relief rally on Bitcoin, things can definitely become interesting. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.